enjoy the applause. Okay, get back to the real part of this Q&A， 我哋有問答環節，咁就想問一問啦，有人有問題嘅話請舉手，我哋會遞咪俾你哋。Anybody with a question you want to ask, we will then actually then hand over a microphone to you. Great. Hong Kong, no question. 冇問題。我戴晒眼鏡喺度睇㗎啦，冇啊 I don't see one question. 啊，邊度啊 ？OK, back row 中間，你睇下點樣可以遞咪佢啦，唔該。最後嗰行中間。
我知道导演之前有分享小范围分享过上部片子的选角的过程会有一些阻力，然后所以我就是上一部叔叔的片子，所以我想问问这部片子的选角的就2位女主演的过程，还有对，就是有没有什么阻力之类的。
Okay, the question has to do with casting. Director Raya actually had talked about Suk Suk's earlier, very successful film, about sometimes the problem of trying to find actors who are willing, who are really open, who are actually ready to play a role. So want to know about this film, All Shall Be Well, regarding the casting of the 2 female leads.
今次咧拍從今以後嘅時候咧，揾演員咧就冇咁辛苦，因為咧我寫緊劇本嗰陣時咧，其實咧多唔少咧，我之前同阿嘉文合作過咧，已經開始係投射喺阿嘉文嘅身上嘅啦，因為咧嗰個角色嘅 Angie 咧，我係好想咧佢係有一個外柔內剛嘅感覺嘅，咁我覺得阿 Angie 咧就嘉文好適合呢個角色。
So regarding casting, actually, as you probably know, in Suk Suk, Petra was already in that cast, so I know her. And also, as I was preparing this film, as I was actually writing the script, I already had Petra in my mind. It was very much a character that I can see in her, who is somebody who might actually look very gentle and soft outside, but inside is a strong woman.
咁當揾Pat 呢個角色嘅時候咧，就難度高啲啦，因為有好多唔同嘅要求啦咁樣。咁我哋都見過唔同嘅演員嘅，咁但係亦都一直咧睇一啲舊嘅 TVB 電視劇諸如此類亞視電視劇。咁然之後咧，我就睇咗林姐咧，就覺得佢咧，就算喺嗰啲古老嘅電視劇裏邊咧，都有一個好新鮮、好 independent 嘅感覺，有個好獨立女性嘅感覺，所以咧就對佢好有興趣。
Regarding the role of Pat, right, not Angela, the role of Pat, actually we did see and actually did look at a number of different options regarding actresses, but then I just want to say that, you know, I was watching a lot of the old television dramas and television soap operas, and just remember very distinctly how wonderful Maggie Lee is, and actually even in playing, you know, very, very sort of, you know, in traditional and ancient costumes, any of those period dramas, there is still a freshness and also something that is very independent in her. And so we approach that.
就好多謝John 哥啦，林姐個先生介紹佢，咁我哋見咗面之後，俾咗劇本去睇之後咧，佢好快就應承咗我哋。
And basically it was through her husband that we actually managed to send the script to her, and then she saw the script, she read it, and she liked it. So very quickly she agreed. Okay, 呢個第一個問題問咗啦。Second question. Okay, second question. 左邊。Second question. 咪啦，睇唔睇到啊？係，請你繼續舉手。Please just keep your hand up. Yeah. Yes.
你好，首先我想讚套戲啦。我諗其實我啱啱睇嘅時候都有好多感覺，其實不停喺度流淚嘅，即係有啲位都好感動啦，覺得其實都有少少身同感受嘅感覺。咁我知道你上一套戲《叔叔》其實就有一本廣大嘅書做題材嘅。咁今次你講從今以後，其實佢 focus on 係一個 elderly， 又唔係 elderly， 不過係女人一個 lesbian couple 嘅 角色啦。咁你有冇話係特別攞啲咩題材或者係 inspiration 令到你去揀一次呢一套戲係要 focus on 呢一個對象咧 ？Thank you.
Regarding Suk Suk, the earlier film, there was actually a basis because there was a book that actually was, the inspiration and the basis. But how about this film? I mean, regarding a lesbian couple of this age, sort of between middle age and senior, is there sort of background materials?
咁其實喺2020年嘅時候咧，我去咗一個係香港同志LGBT 界嘅佢哋嘅遺產權益嘅講座。咁喺嗰個講座嗰度咧，就嗰個講師咧就講咗3個 case 就係類似咁樣。
Actually, in 2020, I actually attended some sort of a panel discussion actually regarding same-sex couples, LGBT, in Hong Kong, in which the lawyers actually explained the problems of the execution of estates. And there were 3 cases, and I can tell you that there were similar cases or similar elements in these cases.
咁我就叫嗰個講師咧介紹嗰幾個 cases 嘅人物俾我認識啦，咁佢就介紹咗。
I actually asked the lecturer who was giving the talk to actually introduce me to these actual people involved in these cases, and so I got to know them.
咁我 interview 咗嗰幾個 case 嘅人之後咧，就發現咧佢哋個情況有一個共通點嘅，就係咧佢哋係一個好長嘅 partnership 啦。咁對佢哋個 partner 過咗身之後咧，佢同個家人嘅關係咧，原本之前係好親密嘅，但係好快咁樣咧就演變成咧反目成仇。
Actually, the 3 cases, there's something in common, which is that, when the partner was still alive and all that, everything was fine, it was a very good and happy family together. And then after that partner died, somehow or another, the family versus the lesbian who was still alive, it just became a very, very difficult situation.
咁喺某啲情況嘅時候咧，佢哋嗰個好快嘅反應咧，就已經變得太快。咁我亦都好 dramatic 嘅。咁其實我所以寫個劇本嘅時候咧，我就唔想咁 dramatic， 反而係想令到個家人咧，令到觀眾睇嘅時候咧，都對佢哋咧有一個同理心。
Basically, regarding those cases, how quickly it flipped was actually very, very sudden. And however, for this film, as I was devising it and thinking out the script, I just wanted people to actually get to know the family still a little bit more.
咁其實呢個最大嘅原因就係點解我想咁做咧？我就係其實好想觀眾咧去睇嘅時候咧，都可以理解到個家人嘅心態，從而咧就會覺得問自己，如果佢自己喺呢出戲裏邊嘅情況，佢有咁嘅機會得到呢層樓嘅時候，佢會唔會俾呢個女人住？
So the question is that I want the audience, as in people who are watching the film, to actually sort of get to know the family and their mindset a little bit more. Because then you can actually question yourself. If you were actually in their shoes, what would you do? Okay.
Inspiration.
That's the inspiration. Okay. Hold on. Any questions for our wonderful cast? 有人係問我哋嘅好傑出嘅演員。有 ，OK good，前面。
首先多谢各位演员老师为我们带来如此好的电影。我是想问一下太公姐同埋 Angie， 我想问一下，在整个拍摄的过程当中，哪一个场景是让你们觉得最印象深刻的？以及在看过几遍电影之后，还有哪一个场景是你们最触动的？还有一个问题是想问 Angie， 就是在最后把佩公妈姑姐的骨灰去撒向大海的时候，当时您在拍戏的时候的心态或者说心境是什么样子的呢？谢谢。
So the question is regarding our 2 leads, what scenes in the film was the most special for them? And also now having seen the film a number of times, what scenes still resonate with them? And then the following question to that is regarding the scattering of the petals in the boat into the sea. How did Angie, as in Petra, feel about that scene?
我諗對於即係散花嗰一場嚟講咧，就好似係我唔能夠將佢 葬喺望到海嘅地方。咁因為我唔可以攞佢啲骨灰咁做，咁但係咧，即係 symbolically 我就散花，即係將佢嘅骨灰同個海一齊，因為嗰個係佢最想最中意嘅。咁而我即係嗰次係已經係經過法庭嘅程序，我知道我係會輸嘅，但係作為即係一個伴侶，我好似要話俾個世界聽，我哋係一齊嘅。佢唔係冇為我着想，只不過即係時不與我啦。即係佢話70歲先做，點知60幾咁就走咗啦。咁所以有啲嘢我哋係應該做嘅，就要及時去做咯。
So the answer is that as you can